What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some teardown Soul of Terrain. This make sure you like, subscribe. Go and check our merchandise. So it's in the link in the description down below. Video. Let's get right into this. So as you can see, we have the mods ready. Bob Scott unloaded size mansion. All right. Overkill about booster. What? L and L and B. I'm clicking it. What? My gosh, that's scaring me so bad. What the heck, dude? Oh my gosh. Bro, that scared me so bad. I like it. Oh my gosh, bro. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Bro, what is going on right now, dude? This is insanity. Bro, what happened? Uh-oh. Bro, my keyboard and mouse aren't working, bro. What about it? Bro. Okay. Alright. Bro, my whole entire computer full is froze. Alright, what if we do it, what if we do it on here? You really know this is my house right here. Or that's my bedroom right there, bro. I can't do that. I gotta do it on this one. It's too messy. We have to do it. Or is it? Wait, what is the proposal gun? Generated post. Oh, dude! Hey, I'm flying. Ah, that's pretty cool. Alright, what about... Oh... Bubbles! Hey, bubbles! That's pretty cool. Alright. Are you ready for bunker bust? Let's move. Oh my gosh. Water cannon. Water. Water. Water tent. Water for. Water! Yeah. Water. Bro. Oh my gosh. No way! No way! Oh! Wait, hold up, hold up, hold up. Wait, do I have the physics gun? No, I don't think I have the physics gun. No, I don't have it. Hold up. Oh, snap. That's not even anything. Oh, this thing sucks. Oh, snap. Okay. Bro, I can barely move, bro. I am, but it's time for destruction. Boom. Boom. Yeah. No ouch. Hot water grenade. There's bullets to it. No, they don't do it. Okay, let's go clean all this debris. Whoa. I was expecting that. Hold up. Alright, yeah, let's go and clean that up. Oh, that. Well, I'm using the side cup. Okay, debris, yes. Clean it up, clean it up. There's bad boy, good. Yeah, we don't want no debris here. Alright, there we go. Yo, this thing's still here. Oh my gosh, bro. That's crazy. Alright. Clean this debris. Okay, that won't work. Let's try. Let's make this bigger. Alright, I'll fix it. That won't work. Okay, you know what? I think it's time. It's a baby. Well. What happened? Oh. I'm Good, baby. Go, baby. Oh! Oh my gosh! I just got launched in there. Okay, well, guys, that's going for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, go and check out merchandise. It's in the link in the description down with the video. And I'm Legendary Good, and I'm out. Peace.